Hi guys, and happy what's today? Tuesday. As I stated before, we are back from our vacation. So I've been working. I'm on the phone with the pharmacy technician trying to call for my grandmother to ask a question. But what was I about to say? I'm about to head out to the store because I'm about to return that blow dryer. And I need to get some new food. So I had tried the keto lifestyle or diet a little while ago. Wait a second. I tried it a little while ago and it didn't work for me because I realized that I was eating too many carbs. So I was eating fruits and vegetables, but the fruits and vegetables and stuff that I was eating, of course they're good carbs, but I was still eating too much of the good carbs because I didn't know. So I'm gonna try it again, and I was also eating too many eggs. I told you guys about that. So I'm gonna try it again. I have a list of things that I could purchase on the keto diet, and then I have like a little diagram that I can go off of to make sure I'm getting the correct amount of protein, fat, and carbs. No. You can get off my camera acting like that. Y'all, my hair would not cooperate in Florida because it's too humid there. But hopefully we about to go outside and test this hair out one more time. Taylor. Well, your friend misses you, so she comes to see you at Walmart.
Yes, just at Walmart.
Just because. Just getting, you know, groceries.
I miss her so much.
I miss you too. I don't even think I've seen her this year. Have I? I don't think I've seen her.
Since the new year? I feel like I have.
We FaceTime, but that don't count.
We didn't see each other in person.
No, I don't think so.
Taylor, did you miss me? Yeah. Yes. I miss you.
Yeah, Taylor loves her. She wants to go home with her. I was like, child, no. I had to tell Taylor that though to make her stop crying. That she was going home with Tiffany. But I got this paint. Huh?
Are they waiting for you?
Oh, I guess so. All right, hold on, y'all. All right, guys, so I just got back from the store. I'm going to show you what I got really quickly. I used my phone is dead. I used a list from Pinterest to figure out what to get. I didn't get that much, but I got this huge bag of kale greens. Go put this in the refrigerator for mom. I also got some fruit. Y'all know how I feel about this fruit. Like anybody who watches my Instagram, my Insta stories, and if you've seen my vlogs, you've seen me use this before to make my smoothies. I love it. Taylor loves it. Like, this is bad. I'll put that in the freezer before it thaws. And then I also got... Taylor, go put that in the refrigerator. Okay. I also got shrimp. Just to eat shrimp. And I got some zucchini. I got some salsa for a snack. No, that don't go in the refrigerator. Silly Billy, that doesn't go in the refrigerator. Hold on, I'm gonna put this up. Alright, so then I also got some pork rinds because they are really like low in carbs. Yeah, 0 carbs in them, and they're like my fix for chips. So got this, my fix when I need some chips or whatever. And then I got these dipper style pork cracklings and 0 carbs. And basically I can eat these with the salsa. I'm gonna taste that now. I'll let you guys know how that is. And then I also got beef jerky, because that's like a healthier snack too. So come here, Nani. Come and eat these taquitos. You want some more green beans? Yes? This girl will eat straight up green beans. This salsa looks so Good, y'all. So good. All right, so I'm gonna open my pork rind dippers. Ooh, I broke the whole bag. Oh my gosh. It smells a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's dip. Not bad. It doesn't really taste like anything, so it's like the crunch that you would get from a chip and salsa. So I'm about to get this little girl some more green beans, and I'll talk to you guys later because I need to get my phone back on. Come on, come and talk to these guys. Come on.
Hi guys, stay in the heart. There's my butt.
CJ coming through the door.
Daddy.
Yo, what up? What's up? What's up?
Daddy. My daddy, he wants to talk to me. Guys, Daddy and my daddy kissed my head. Hi guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Santa Claus. I got my Santa Claus and I put it in the couch. Hi guys. Daddy put Mama in there to that.
Yeah.
No.
My 3 cents today.